Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to show you how to create or sign up for a new account on Tinder. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. In order to sign up for Tinder, first, make sure that you've downloaded Tinder application if you are doing this on your mobile device. Once you have it, tap it open. From the first interface of Tinder, you'll be able to see two options. If you have an existing account, tap on Sign In and follow the on-screen prompts. If you want to create a new account, tap Create Account. Now, provide your phone number into the text box on the next page. If your country code is not correct, make sure that you select by tapping on the drop-down and selecting your country from the options. Once you enter your phone number, tap Continue at the bottom and type in the code that has been sent on your mobile number via SMS. Now, go ahead and enter your email address that you have an access to on the next field. Tap Continue after you are done. Agree to the Tinder's terms and conditions by tapping on I agree at the bottom. Now, fill in your details by providing your first name in the text box. Tap Continue when done. Enter your date of birth information on the next page. Tap Continue after you are done. Select your gender from the option. You can select an option to show your gender on your profile by clicking on this little box at the bottom. If not, leave it unchecked and tap Continue. Choose your sexual orientation from the options and tap Continue at the bottom. Select your gender preferences on the next page. Tap Continue when done. Now, you can also provide your educational information on the next page, or you can simply skip the process for now by tapping on Skip at the bottom. Select your passions from the list displayed on the next page. Tap on Continue after you are done. Add at least 2 photos to add in on your profile in order to continue. Tap on the box and tap on Select Photos. Select any picture from your gallery and tap Done at the top right. After you select at least 2 photos, tap Continue, or you can also keep adding more and tap Continue. And that way, you'll be able to create a new account on Tinder. You can start a quick tutorial by tapping on Start Tutorial and get to know how to start up with Tinder. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.